Hi everyone, so in the last video we stopped somewhere in this place. So we went through all the while loop scenarios and kind of while loop scenarios, and then we were able to manually pass and like x is less than 1 logic within the while loop, and we kind of stopped the while loop iteration with one time. Okay, so initially what we do is when it is true it repetitively runs, right? So I'm sorry guys. So if you want to iterate with a particular iteration 1 or 2, you can do it, right? So I'll taught you how to stop it with one iteration. So x is less than 1 should become true only one time. So how do we do it is we come here and first x is 0, so x is less than 1 is true, and then we come and print the value, and at the end of the line what we do, we have a increment x plus plus. So what x plus plus means is x is equal to x plus 1. So the new x will be equal to current x plus 1. So the new x, current x is 0 plus, current x is 0 plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. So new x will be 1. You understand? So you know this from these for loops, I hope. What does the x plus plus means? We did a lot of things. Otherwise you have to watch them from the beginning, because this is a series of tutorials, right? So then again we come here, you know how this for loop while loop works. After the line number 8, we again come to the line number 5 and check still the x is less than 1 is true or not. So the problem is the line doesn't go to line number 4. The code doesn't go back to line number 4, because there's a nature of the loop. It is going to iterate within the loop, right? And only when whatever the condition become false, it will come out of the loop and go to the line number 9. So it will never go to line number 4. You understood that? So there is no chance that x becomes 0 again. So what happens is x becomes 1 here, and again we come and check here. So x is less than 1, that means x value is 1. So 1 is less than 1 is not true, it is false. So we have to skip the while loop. You get the point, right? Skip the while loop and come to the line number 9. Okay, so that means what we did, we only got into the while loop only one time, right? So only one time we print the serial println value. Then we come out of that, void setup ends, void setup will not repeat, and we come into the void loop. Okay, so what if I ask you how you can iterate it 2 times? Okay, not one time, 2 times. So how you can do it? I'm sorry. If you're a real smart guy, what you will do is you will change one value to 2. What will happen? Initially x is 0. 0 is less than 2 is true. Okay, we will get into the while loop. Okay, so we will serial print the value and increment the x by 1. Okay, so what is the current x value? 0 plus 1, 1. You understand this? Initially 0. Now in the line number 7 we increment, that means so we increase the value by 1. So the new x value is 1. And we come to line number 8, and we again have to go to line number 5 to check whether still the while loop is true or not. That means if it is true we will run, otherwise we will skip it. So again we will come to line number 5. So what is the new x value now? 1, right? So here it will be 1. Okay, so 1 is less than 2 is still true. 1 is less than 2 is true, right? So the next time also we will get into the serial println. So we are getting to the here second time also. Understood? Earlier we did only one time. So still we serial print the value, and again we will increase the x by 1. Okay, so current x value is 1. So again we will increase it by 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So now we will come here and we will again go to line number 5 and check whether it is true or false. So x is less than 2. So now the current x value is 2. So 2 is less than 2 we are checking. So 2 is less than 2 is false. 2 is equal to 2, right? Not less than. So we are supposed to skip the while loop. So that means from line number 5 to 8 we are going to skip, and we are going to come to line number 9. So if you look at the terminal, you will have this serial println printed, hello printed only 2 times. That means you have made the while loop to run 2 times, or in other words you can say you have made the program to get into the while loop 2 times. So whatever you write within the while loop will work. Understood? So what you can do is, now if you are really a smart guy, you can try kind of 5 times. How you can do 5 times? Think about it. So the only simple solution is, I'm sorry guys, Simple solution is you have to run the program within the make the program get into the while loop 5 times. Or you can do it. Maybe you can start from 0 to 5, right? Or 1 to 6 also fine, right? That's also 5 times. 2 to 7, 5 times. It doesn't matter, right? The values doesn't matter until you understand the scenario. So try 5 times, try 7 times, kind of things, and go through that, right? So this is something very, very, very important, guys. Okay. So yes. So this is important. So just try those things like 5 times as a homework. Do it 5 times, do it 10 times, and try to change the x values. Not always 0. Sometimes you can make x value initial values 2. So according to that you have to change this checking value, right? You understand? So if you do it, you will understand, right? So try to do those practical. And if you have any issues, just you can find my mail there. So just mail me or just comment in the comment box, so that I can help you. Understood, guys? Amazing, right? So I will catch you in the next video. Please consider subscribing us, guys. Have a great day. Bye.